Hi, so we're going to start looking at grade 3 Trinity studies from the graded exam book for the Trinity board. The point of this is just to take you through the studies one by one and explain to you the relative difficulties. I'm going to play the first one through for you. It's called Sweet and Sour Waltz. If you do not have access to this, I really recommend you get the book. And then we will go through the difficulties of each individual study. Okay, so here's the first one, Sweet and Sour Waltz. So the first section is quite nice, it's in D major, everything's going really, really well. When we get to bar 4, you've got this happening. So we're going to go into third position, that's your blue sticker on your violin. If you have the stickers, which I recommend you have red, yellow and blue for your first, second and third fingers. So it's nice and easy to distinguish which is which. And then so it would be your blue sticker in this instance. So you would go chip to your blue. So I'm recommending a 1, 3, 1, 2 fingering pattern for that bar, and then into bar 6. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So nice little scalic pattern in third position. Okay, it's just going back and forward between the A and the E string. When you get to bar 9, it's going to start doing some interesting things. The first thing being it's going to go into the minor key. So we're going to be looking at F naturals, C naturals and B flats. So you're going to be in half position for this section from bar 9. So we want second fingers back. So those are the main concerns for those 4 bars. I've got to bar 12. That's going to be second fingers back, first fingers back, then again at bar 13 you're going back into third position on the E string, first finger on your blue sticker, very good, and then we're going to do a C natural, shifting back down when you get to that C, 3, 2, 1, shift back on that E, and then you're going to back onto first position on the A string. And that's a chromatic passage. We're moving from A to B flat, to B natural, to C natural, to C sharp, to D. And that's the whole of the study. So hopefully that's been helpful. So go from, obviously, the beginning's nice and simple. Try to also remember your staccato notes because there's quite a lot of staccato in there. Also, it's got your lines to make sure that things are accented and given a bit more weight. There's also dynamic contrast, so try and really pay attention to that as well. Great, moving on to space